Good morning, student of class 8. This is your second part of chapter number 4. Our heading is how to creating list and tables in HTML. Our next list of HTML is ordered list. Ordered list means it is also called the number list. We can use in data for organized of any data with use of ordered list. It is used to display the list of item in a specific order. In this list we used enclosed within order list and closed order list with use of tags. The default numbering styles of order list is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, infinite, and attributes of HTML is attributes of order list is first attributes of order list is types attributes. Type attributes. This attributes specifies the type of numbering to be used for each list item. Example: order list. This is a tag, and this is a OL stand for order list. Short form of order list. We used OL and types of attributes. Retain type and then mention the number we can use. If we use A in capital, our result start with A and then B, C, D. If we used a small letter A, our result is A, B, C. This is a types of attributes we can use in order list. Our second attributes we used in order list is start. This attributes lets we start the list numbering from a different letters or a number that is other than the default number. Example: order list start and mention the start and where and denotes a number. This is denotes a number and types and start value given here. Order list type. If we write A, so starts one place with A, just like A, B, C. And if we write order list type is a small a, start first with a small a, then B, then C. It is all types and start value represent in order list. We write a program in Notepad. Firstly, we open the Notepad and write this program. This is order list program which is used in HTML. This is HTML language starting code, opening tag HTML, then we write head tag and then set the title of this program. We can use order list, so we write order list in title and set the title of order list and then close title. After set the title, name, style, types, text, and then body starts and background. We need to set the background color. If we set the background color, our result, our output with background color set yellow, heading color. If we set the heading color in blue, our heading represent in output with blue color, and list item we set the list item color red, so in output our item represent with red color. Then close the style tag, then close the head tag, and heading we need to set the heading. Our heading in this program is Presidents of India, so name the heading Presidents of India, and then close the heading, and we use the order list, so order list type is capital I, because we want to represent the Presidents of India with capital I, so we set the order list type capital I. Then set the list item, write the list item. Our first President of India is Rajendra Prasad, so we write the top Rajendra Prasad. Then our second President of India is Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, so write Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan as list item. Then list item third is Zakir Hussain, and also write all the Presidents of India with list item. And our present President of India is Ramnath Kovind, so list item used in last. Then order list, close the order list with closing tag. This is closing tag, and order list, short form of order list is written these types, and then close the body, then lastly close the HTML program. After write this program in Notepad, we need to set the extension, and then set the location where you save the program with. It is important for storing capacity of this program, because without extension program error during running the program, so we need to save the extension with HTML, and then after save the program, after running the program, output of this program is here President of India. We set the heading in blue color, so President of India represent with blue color, and order list set the capital I, so capital I double, it is represent one number, it is represent second number. We set the represent number list in capital I, so capital I order list present after running this program, and it is list item of this program, so it is output of this program. After running this program, we receive the output of this program. This is the second part of chapter number third, and our next video we will discuss on our next topic. Thank you.